Hey guys, and welcome back to another origami gift wrapping video. I have posted a lot of similar gift wrapping videos lately, and I have an entire playlist full of them, so be sure to check those out. Now let's get on with the video. Okay, so here I'm starting out with a thin green felt paper. It's already pre-cut and I'm just making sure that there's enough on both sides to cover it up. I've put some double-sided tape on the box so that the wrapping paper remains put. Now I don't know how to explain this exactly, but all I'm doing is pressing the middle section so that I get two folded sections, that is one at the top and one at the bottom. I'm going to do this on all four sides. Once I'm done folding, I'm going to overlap the top folds and tape them down and do the same thing on the other side. Lastly, I'm going to fold the side sections towards the top and tape those down too. Now to make the Christmas tree, I've already cut a square piece and I've made sure the width is not more than the box, and then I cut more squares, just decreasing the size every time. So first I'm going to fold it in half diagonally on both sides and then vertically and horizontally as well. After folding, I'm just going to push the sides in, as you can see. Lastly, just open up one of the folds and squash it, and do the same on the other side. Repeat the same steps for all the pieces. To assemble the tree, all I did was apply some double-sided tape at the back of each piece and then simply insert one piece into the other like so. I added some ribbon to the gift box and stuck a piece of paper to the Christmas tree to make the trunk and then stuck it on the box. Now there's two ways you can make the DIY snow. First one is just take a piece of thermocol and rub it on a sandpaper, and the second one is by using a grater or a zester. Among the two, I would prefer the zester as it gives much finer snow. To add the snow to the tree, all I did was apply some glue to the ends of the tree and then just sprinkle the DIY snow I just made. And then just use a brush to brush off any excess and you're done.